guys, and welcome back. So today we're going on our jet skis, avos watersports then, and we're going to be just going around. It's a pretty bad weather today, so hopefully it's good. And sorry I've not been recording any videos lately. The lake's been shut and it's just been Christmas, so yeah, see you when we get there.
Alright, so a little bit of a dad takeover. We're down at Avos Watersports. The weather is absolutely miserable. With his little dry suit on. No stopping you if you've got a dry suit on, you've no excuse. If you've got a jet ski, get yourself a dry suit and get out. Whole point in it is having fun. It's getting better, isn't it? I don't know if you've watched all these videos, but every time he comes down he seems to be getting better. Hopefully introduce him to racing soon. So yeah, Jake's on a Kawasaki SXR 800. First ski. Hopefully he'll upgrade in the future. Do a few bits to this one first, see if we can get him into racing. I'm out on the EX Sport 2017. Quite a fun little machine. Oh yeah, here he is, the man himself. Lovely weather for ducks there, and lovely weather for us as well. Making sure he's got his safety lanyard on, just in case he comes on. it a controversy?